Do you want to earn $559.30 per day from Amazon doing nothing? Yeah, this is the real how to make money online strategy right now. But before that, welcome to another episode of Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn more than $559 and so on. More you work, more money will get. The more money from Amazon will give you to you. Okay, what I have to do in Amazon? So let's jump back into the site, which is amazon.com. You can see this is the world's #1 e-commerce site, but the thing is we are going to do is book publishing. So don't worry, you do not have to write any book, you do not have to do anything, you do not have to make stories. All you have to do is just follow my strategy step by step, then you are good to go. So first thing first, what we are going to do in this strategy, we are going to publish Kindle books. Yes, Kindle books, Amazon's Kindle books. So all you have to do is go to amazon.com here, and you can see that they have a menu, all menu here. If you click on this all menu, it will show all the categories and digital contents and physical contents all are present here, all the categories. So you have to find the Kindle e-reader on books categories. If you click on that, you can see all the Kindle e-readers and stores are listed here, and all I have to do is go to Kindle ebooks. So if I click on Kindle ebooks, this page will show up. So this is the Kindle ebook homepage where all the ebooks that are currently listed on amazon.com are showing here. So they are categorized on featured, new release, bestseller, and so on and so forth. You can pick any niche here. You have to pick for the first step to write a book. You need a niche or keyword on which you have to write that book. So how you can to find that niche? So you just go over Kindle books, browse through books listed here, and see the keywords and the topics that those books has. I recommend you go over to their bestseller section, where they have the most profitable, most famous books that are sold on Kindle stores, and all those books are listed here. You can go see more here, or you can scroll through their slider here and see and get an example of how you're going to go and write your books on what topic you should choose, and any topic you like. There are really vast amount of topics that you can pick from, but for this video purpose, if you scroll up here and see in the left menu section here, and you can see that there are lots of categories listed here that are really interesting, and you can pick any category and start publishing your book. So for this purpose, in this video I would like to show children's ebook. So if I click on children's ebook, this page will show up, and this page is showing you all the children's ebooks that are listed currently on amazon.com, and this is really a great and popular niche to work with, and you can get much more sales than others. So many books are listed here. Every day people are writing this type of books, and children really love this type of books. So for instance in this video I would like to show some books. You can see that those books have ratings under their title here, and you can understand how these books are performing using their ratings and reviews. So I recommend when you choose, you pick any book that you want to analyze and then click on that 5-star review link, and then it will show this review page where people are reviewing. It shows all the reviews that people have written about these books. So there are all many 5-star ratings and critical or negative ratings. So you have to read all those reviews so that you can have and understand how these books performs, what is the problems with these ebooks, what's people complaining about it, and then you can fix those complaints to your ebook so that you get much more higher rating reviews than those books. So all you have to do is take some time and analyze various books and their reviews, all positive and negative reviews, so that you have better understanding what you have to do next. So this is the first step. And then if you go over to the book, to that book space, for example in this book space, if I click it, then it will show the cover of it and the prices of it, and the format, various formats these books is available to purchase. So if you can see that this book is priced in Kindle is $7.99. So all you have to do is it's go over to that book page, and you can scroll down here and in the product details section, where you can see the details about the product's name and length and many more information. But the thing is, you have to check the bestseller rank here. For this purpose, you can have a better understanding how popular this book is and how many amount this books is selling every day. So for this purpose, for these books, bestseller rank is 355, which is in Kindle store. So if I go to the red chart of it, you can see that Amazon have a bestseller rank chart by which you can understand the amount of selling, around average amount of selling of books of that ratings. So for this book's publisher, he has 355 rank, so it falls under this rank here. So 350 to 500 rank, and so he is selling 175 to 200 ebooks a day. This is really awesome. So what you have to do, all you have to do is start from there, and day by day you will get to these positions, and there is a definite way. All you have to do is step by step follow my instruction step by step, and you are good to go. And you need a little effort and little money to start with. All you can do, if you want to write it by in your words, you can do it definitely, but I'm showing you the way you can do it without any work at all. So if I calculate, just for example, for this book, if I like calculate the amount, the book is sold for $7.99. So if I, for example, if you ranked in, then you are selling up to 100 books a day, for instance. So if I calculate that amount, and if for that book is $7.99 and it's like 100, so it's $799 every day. But there's the thing is, Amazon Kindle is cutting 30% for as a fee for the selling. So 30%, if I calculate the 30% of it, it's 239.7, and if I minus it 239.7 from the actual sold amount, then you get 559. 30 cents, which is really awesome. This is what is all about. All you have to do, you can start earning this amount of money by just a little effort of you from you, and you are good to go. So you have to sell through Amazon Kindle. So all you have to do is go over to Amazon Kindle page, which is kdp.amazon.com. This is the site. This is, you can go there and you can see that they have, you can earn up to 70% royalty on sales. As I told you, they cut 30% of it, and they have supported worldwide. No matter where you live, you can start doing this work, and you can just make any book, you can publish it on Kindle, and it takes just 5 minutes. And all Kindle will do is, it will take 24 to 48 hours to make those books appear on the public, and worldwide people going to see your book and purchase. So what you can do, you can write it. No matter what, if you write a book, then definitely you are in the good position here, that you do not need to invest any money, and you can start for free. But the thing is, if you do not want to work, or you do not know how to write work, so what you can do, you have a great chance. You just need to invest little amount of money, and then you will definitely good to go with this business. So I recommend you go over to Fiverr.com. This is the #1 place for freelancers right now in the world. And if you search here for children's books ghostwriter, this page will show all the children books ghostwriters and their gigs. And you can see that people are asking from $10, $20, $60, $80, $100, and more, $150, and more professional work. You want more money, you have to invest. But definitely all these writers are really good. You can see their ratings and sold amount here. You can see that all those writers are really popular here. You can pick anyone you want, and just see their ratings and reviews, and pick your writers, and ask them to write your ebook, and you will get a ebook ready in couple of days time. So this is really a minimum investment. You can start with $10, at least $10, and it's nothing to get a book ready written for you without lifting a finger. So the thing is, every book needs some image or illustration and book cover. So there is you have to search it on Fiverr as well. Writers not going to do that, so you have to search it on like children's book illustration, and you can see that peoples are designing book covers and illustrations for children's books as well, and those are also very cheap, like $10, $35, $80, $250, and more professional, more beautiful work you need, you have to pay more money. But you can start with $10. This is really great as well. So all you have to do, just first create the ebook, create the book, write the book, and then order illustrations around that story or book, and make the cover for it. So you are good to go. Then you will just make it together, and they will give you the full furnished, fully completed written children ebook, and you can upload it onto Kindle, and you are really good to go with this. And these books are really very small books. Children's books are literally around 250 words to 1000 words books. They always sold great. And now what you going to do? Kindle, Amazon Kindle already have the market for you. They have thousands people around the world going to Amazon to buy products. So you you do not have to do any hard work there to get into the world, but you can accelerate the process of selling so that your selling get higher and higher, and you all you have to do is just start promoting your ebooks to your social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and Quora and Answers.com. You go to Facebook's various book publishing books. There are already present there. All you have to do, go there and join those groups and promote your ebooks there, and definitely they're going to love to buy this type of books. And you can also do that in Twitter as well. And the thing is, Quora and Answers are a different kind of strategy, but they are really solid, and you can earn money lifetime from there because they are answering question answer sites. You go there, find children related books questions, and you can find that people are asking about children's questions, children's books related questions and stories, and you can answer those questions very easy just by some couple of words, and then post your ebook link there so that people can buy your book, and those posts are going to stay forever till those sites end. So this is a lifetime traffic you will get to your book, and definitely your book going to get sell much more than that. And this is the strategy, guys. This is a real deal, and you can go over to Amazon and start earning money right now. But you have to be active. If you don't want to write your books, or you can't write books, you can do it, you can freelance it, you can outsource it, but you have to be active, then money will follow you definitely. This is the end. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down below and press the subscribe button and like this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, see you later, and thanks for watching.